The magic of music. In a small town, there lived a girl named Mia. She loved music more than anything else. Every day after school, she would rush home to play her favorite songs on her old guitar. Mia dreamed of becoming a famous musician one day. One sunny afternoon, Mia decided to perform at the town's annual festival. She was excited but also nervous. What if people didn't like her music? She practiced every day, playing in front of her mirror and imagining a big crowd cheering for her. The day of the festival arrived. The town square was filled with colorful lights, delicious food, and happy people. Mia took a deep breath and walked onto the stage. Her heart raced as she looked at the audience. They were smiling and waiting for her to play. Mia started to strum her guitar and her voice filled the air. The melody was sweet and the lyrics told a story about dreams and hope. As she sang, she saw people swaying to the music. Some even closed their eyes, lost in the sounds. When she finished, there was a moment of silence. Then, the crowd erupted into applause. Mia felt a warm glow in her heart. She had shared her music, and people loved it. From that day on, Mia continued to play music, not just for herself, but for everyone. She learned that music has the power to connect people and make them feel alive. And that was the magic of music.